Hi, I'm Dale, and I'm here to show you the versatility and the speed and strength of cement oil. Cement oil is a workable, high-quality repair material with rapid strength gain and high durability. It is suitable for general and structural concrete repair, doweling and anchoring, industrial grouting, formed work, vertical, horizontal trowel applications, even overhead. Before we start, make sure you have all the correct personal protective equipment for the work site, including safety boots, gloves, long sleeve shirt and pants, high vis and eye protection, plus whatever else your site manager requires. To apply cement oil, you will need a trowel, a broom, potable water and at least 2 20-litre buckets, a mixing paddle and drill. Depending on your application, add between 2.6 litres of water all the way up to 4.75. Begin mixing with mechanical powered paddle while adding the product. Mix for 1 to 3 minutes. Apply rapid set cement oil in thicknesses from featheredge to 100 ml. It is durable in wet environments. To create a flowable mixture, simply add rapid set flow control and mix for 1 to 3 minutes. Cement oil will achieve 20 MPa compressive strength within 1 hour. For a smooth, sandable finish, apply a fairing coat of rapid set Wonderfix from featheredge to 13 ml. Anton, making life better for communities.